These cool sounds found in movies. Let's take a look at some of the black technology. A vehicle with advanced autopilot will be equipped with different sensors, including onboard cameras, lidar, and a millimeter wave radar, which will work in tandem to increase vehicle positioning and sensing capabilities. To realize close collaboration of battery motor and electric control in new energy vehicles, more precise and timing sensing, decision marking and control units, miniaturization, integration, and a high new energy density system form are required. LED lighting system can be used in headlights as well as vehicles interior lighting. LED lighting system may fully exploit the benefits of high energy economy, high brightness, and miniaturization by incorporating intelligent systems and adapt to the new trend of emotional interior design. The sense in the movie is actually not far from us, with the addition of millimeter wave radar, car camera module, signal system, LED lighting system, and other hardware equipment in the automobile, along with software system. The dream of the car intelligence is gradually realized. HGTECH PCB marking cutting solutions, FPC marking cutting solutions, and ceramic substrate cutting scoring solutions are used to achieve precise processing of components such as automotive sensors, ceramic substrates, battery modules, and etc. HGTECH continuous fiber series welding machine, semiconductor plastic welding machine, galvanometers welding machine can meet the condition of non-contact small deformation and customized welding process of metal and plastic parts in electronic appliance. Laser contributes to automotive electrification and intelligence. Are you looking forward to the future of new energy vehicles? Let's check out the next episode.